Guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Saitama inu, guys. In this video I'm talking about Saitama inu price. What's the price update of Saitama inu? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and update videos, guys. So let's start the video and let's talk about the price update, guys. First of all, guys, if we talk about the price of Saitama inu, so I'm sorry I can't count the number of zero in the price of Saitama inu. Just understand, guys, that after a bundle of zeros there is a 8895 USD dollar. That is the right now price. Simply, guys, the price of Saitama inu is very low, very low, guys. So I think now there is good opportunity with all of you. Just invest a 50 USD dollar for 1 year in Saitama inu and forget it for 1 year. After 1 year, check the update of Saitama inu possibilities that Saitama price will be 1 USD dollar, possibility that Saitama price will be 0.01 USD dollar. So a very huge profit you will get from Saitama inu if you invest for 1 year, guys. So invest in a low coin for a long time, guys. Anyways, the changes of Saitama inu is negative 4.15% in the market, guys. Let me show the price chart, guys. The price is also, oh my god, just look here, guys. Now gradually from Lio and that is situation, Saitama inu price pumping more, guys, and very soon the changes of Saitama inu will be become positive, guys, very soon, guys. So I recommend for you, please hold, don't decide to sell, guys. And if you want to buy, so I recommend for you buy now and hold for a long time. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.